I've decided to share two books with you today. Both books take place in Puerto Rico. Both are easy nonfiction books, picture books, and they both have to do with nature, rebuilding, community, and hope. The first is called The Tree of Hope, The Miraculous Rescue of Puerto Rico's Beloved Banyan. So if you notice, there's a little girl on the front cover, this beautiful tree. And basically, Hurricane Maria, which hit in 2017, destroyed this magnificent um, tree. This tree has withstood hundreds of years. I love the historical showing the black and white to sepia to color. But basically, after Hurricane Maria hit, it was totally destroyed and uprooted. And it took everyone coming together to do what they could to revive this tree and get it back to the point where it could grow and thrive once again. Beautiful story. I love that it's a true story. And it just talks about the power of community and hope. The next book is called The Coquies Still Sing. This book, again, we have a little girl character. Let me just open it up and show you. It is taking place again in Puerto Rico, 2017. Hurricane Maria whips through. And the same thing happens. Things are destroyed. And the little coquis, which are little frogs, they would always sing the song. Our main character loved the song of the coquis. But there's heartache. There's disarray when all of nature is destroyed. Their family has to rebuild. The community has to come together. And over time, yes, things come back together. The community is restored. The coquis come back and they still sing. So again, two fabulous books. They're great for Earth Day. They're great for Hispanic Heritage Month. They're just good books, period. So just check it out. I love that they have similarities. You could do a comparison if you do these books together. They're perfect for any age, any grade. That's elementary, pre-K, sixth grade. But have fun with it. You will love it. There's so much you can do with these books. So check it out. You will not be disappointed.